Trump's bold new push to boost immigration enforcement. Get ready for a monumental step in U.S. immigration policy. President Trump's latest legislative triumph, dubbed the Big Beautiful Bill, is making waves as it heads to his desk, bringing a historic federal boost to immigration enforcement. On Thursday, the House passed Trump's substantial tax and spending bill, achieving the president's ambitious self-imposed July 4th deadline. This enormous package dedicates approximately $170 billion to advance Trump's border and immigration objectives, notably aiming to detain and deport record numbers of individuals for the country. White House border czar Tom Homan underscored the necessity of this bill, explaining that additional detention beds are crucial. "The more beds we have, the more offenders we can apprehend," he said. However, whether Trump's immigration strategy will effectively deploy these resources remains a significant concern, with implementation being key. "It will certainly enhance immigration enforcement over time, but it's not an instant transformation," wrote Kathleen Bush-Joseph, a policy analyst at the Migration Policy Institute. She said the importance of how efficiently these funds are utilized to power the deportation efforts. So, how does the bill aim to strengthen immigration enforcement? The final bill sets aside $45 billion to enhance immigration detention centers and an additional $30 billion to boost ICE personnel, transport, and facility upkeep. The American Immigration Council proposes that this funding could increase detention capacity to about 116,000 beds. Though Bush-Joseph acknowledges that expanded resources could help alleviate overcrowding and improve staffing, she expresses concern that it may also result in more extensive use of detention. But here's where it gets controversial. There are concerns that moving away from the catch and release policy, which allows migrants to be released before their court appearances, would necessitate even more detention space. The border security component of the bill also stands out, with about $46.5 billion earmarked to complete Trump's border wall, and millions more for customs and border protection infrastructure and security. While some critics question the urgency of increasing border security funding, given the recent significant drop in border crossings, proponents like Andrew Arthur argue that proactive investment is essential to be prepared for any future surges. And this is the part most people miss. Republicans have also amended immigration fees, with the most notable change being the reduction in the asylum application fee from $1,000 to $100. But are these new or higher fees creating financial barriers for immigrants seeking legal protection? Heidi Altman from the National Immigration Law Center believes these fees could impose substantial financial hurdles, particularly when it comes to seeking appeals in immigration courts. When it comes to safety net programs, the bill has continued restrictions on health and nutrition assistance for various lawful immigrants. Shelby Gonzalez mentioned that many people are already restricted from insurance due to immigration status, and these changes could further limit access to public benefits. On a related note, what do you think about the trade-off between stricter immigration enforcement and the need for social safety nets? It's a complex issue with multiple perspectives. Share your views in the comments below. Do you think this approach strikes the right balance?